Hi, my name's Robert Brownhill. There was a issue with my left knee. I had all my life been a long distance runner, and I got to the stage where I wasn't able to run anymore. I then got to the stage where my knee was letting me down and it had collapsed on me. So what I did then, with the help of my wife, is found the right person, Dr. Boerger, who I went to for a consultation. The consultation went really well. What I felt with Dr. Boerger was that there was an empathy and an understanding of me as a person, and that made a big difference to the decision-making process. My wife is extremely resourceful and takes a lot of convincing before she'll press a go button in terms of paying for the treatment. We decided that we'd have the procedure up at HC in Marbella. It was like entering a 5-star hotel. The room was perfect, no other word, and the attention to detail was first class. Dr. Boerger was tremendous in terms of explaining every single step of the way. I think being put onto into a wheelchair and then onto a trolley and then wheeled into an operating theatre is unnerving for even those with great knowledge. But what Dr. Boerger was able to do was keep me relaxed and confident. In terms of sedation, the sedation was straightforward, and the next thing I knew, I woke up in ICU, where they kept me for, I think it was about 14 hours. And once again, the attention to detail was scrupulous. There was a guy there on call all the time. The pain was variable and controlled. And then afterwards, I was transferred back to my recovery ward, where unbelievably, I was dispatched after 48 hours. So in all, it was just a superb experience, and it was like going to a 5-star hotel. In terms of post-operation, I'm a big believer in listening to your body, and what I've done over the last, it's nearly 2 years now, is very, very slowly build up the strength. I'm not running marathons anymore, but I am 76 years old, and at some stage you have to listen to your body. But what I've done is I've built up the kilometers, and now what I do, I can safely say that I do an average of 7 kilometers a day, and because of the operation, there's a renewed confidence in both knees, which I think is sometimes overlooked, but one knee definitely compensated for the other knee before the operation, and slowly but surely that confidence and that understanding in the brain means that what you've got in actual fact is a renewed activity. And so from that point of view, I'm in excellent shape, and it's all down to Dr. Boerger.